It is bowled down, it's out. America, a land of contrasts. First, scenes of the terrible drought in the Kansas area. Pasture land has become wasteland, and in many instances, the wheat fields have been turned over to the cattle to get what they can. Scorching winds blow away the topsoil covering the seed. And now for Philadelphia, actually floods. The Delaware River, swollen by a sudden cloudburst, breaks its banks and invades the city. It's not very deep, but it's real water, and quite enough to get your feet wet. Hey, don't forget the dog.
This strange-looking machine is a track shifter and is in